Learning pathways are complete projects that you can follow from start to finish. They're made up of multiple individual lessons across numerous processes that, when viewed in sequence, they deliver a detailed step-by-step how-to guide. Whether you're creating your very first small prosthetic appliance in gelatin or a complete multi-piece character makeup in silicone, rather than searching through the numerous lessons and processes for the information you need, instead you can select a learning pathway that covers the kind of project you want to create, and one that's at the skill level you feel comfortable with. If you're a complete newcomer, there's learning pathways that will introduce you to the very basics and have you getting great results with easy to follow projects that will help you build your skills and confidence in no time. If you're already well on your way to being an industry professional, there's also pathways that cover more advanced techniques and give you an insight into how I create prosthetics and makeup effects for my professional projects.